Hello and welcome to our
YouTube channel.
And
Today we're going to present you this big rail, and we're going to have three of these, and three of these.
but we don't know what's this and this and this, and you're just talking about a lot of this and this and this. Let us explain. So we're gonna
the smart techs are going to be with the Chuggington, Wilson, Coco and Decker, and then these three will be with these three here.
What about Thomas? You think Thomas not supposed to be there?
Oh yeah, Thomas instead of with.
Okay.
And here we're going to have
The emergency service. So we're gonna choose which one that we're gonna go. I'm thinking we're gonna go on fire truck.
Yeah, we'll have the fire truck. We'll have this one.
The ambulance and the
one.
police car. So I guess we can choose which way are they going. We can choose like the
No, they go on this rail.
on this rail. Okay, you're the
This
master.
one is longer.
Okay.
So,
You think should go now?
yeah.
Yes, let's make it go. The first one is on the rail.
The first one is on track.
It's go under the viaduct and just came out on the other side.
And now it's the next one.
So now we have the fire truck ready to go. Oh no, it just went by itself. Super cool.
And now
The police.
the ambulance. Oh dear. The
Oh.
fire truck just
Decide not to go. So we got the ambulance is gonna go. On the way, fantastic. That is super cool railway.
So here we can have some Thomas. So
Oh no, that must be so heavy for the trucks. So we got Thomas now going.
now go on this track. We can have another Thomas on this track.
Another Thomas. How many Thomas do we have?
I'm not sure.
Oh wow, look at this. That's super cool. Long railway.
And now Spencer is coming on.
I think they're gonna need help. Oh, Thomas, come follow it. Super cool.
So now we need to separate it a bit.
Do you think they're gonna crash?
Maybe. So we'll here.
And now we need the other one on the other rail. There's nothing on the other rail.
Yeah,
So
so
I'm
we'll
think-
put the Chuggington.
So I think we are
First
ready.
it's Coco.
Oh dear, dear, dear.
Now
That rail
this
is huge, huge. Oh no, okay, good. The ambulance gotta be rescued by Thomas and the police car. Oh, Thomas needs help. That looks like a very busy, I would say.
Yeah.
Very busy track. Oh no, they crashed.
Very complex.
Very busy. That's a. Oh no, they crash again. That looks like a busy work for you. Super cool.
Yeah. But
So,
also very fun.
is it fun?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. That's what we wanted to make it fun and exciting and
Oh dear.
and educational. They almost crashed again. I'm glad that you're there.
Okay, so now this is done.
It looks like you're a good controller. We don't even need a traffic light. Oh,
Well, not really, because I'm basically the traffic light.
oh, by say lazy day number 2 on your top. Wow, that's cool the way it goes. One comes down, the other comes up, and the other. Wow, that's super busy. They're all going down, and this one goes up. Super cool.
Should we add one more?
Yeah, you're the master.
Yeah, so I'll add one more
You are
here.
the pioneer engineer in here.
Sure. So here I need to stop these and separate them. Oh.
Here comes the train. La la. What, you don't like my song? Here comes the train. La la.
At all.
Huh?
Not at all.
Not at all. Wow, wow, wow. What's
Wow.
gonna happen? Oh no. Thomas just fell off. Oh no, it's good. Oh no. Oh no. Wow, that looks like a super strong train. Oh, let's see what's gonna happen. Oh no.
Oh, let's see. Wilson's came back.
Wilson's back on track. That is a super long train. Remember, that track is super fast. The blue one from the Lidl with Percy. Look at this. He's the one that is commanding.
Now we'll make a few more crash.
I thought you're the controller to avoid the train for crash.
Just for fun.
Just for fun.
Wow.
Is it fun to make the trains to crash?
Yeah.
I didn't know. Oh no! Whoa! Percy, yeah, super cool.
Powerful.
And it's going super fast. It's gonna catch up with the other train again, the police train and the fire truck train.
But Victor's in the way.
Oh, they
Wow.
move it out of the way. That's like, you can't stop this train.
Yeah.
Oh no! Well, let's see what's gonna happen when they go on this, on top of the rail.
Wilson, Catlin, and the worldwide.
Oh, look! They're cleaning up the way. They went
It's
through.
like if they were cleaning the railway.
Yeah, they went through. I think we should have put the train that we have that clean up the rail. That would do the job properly.
That would do it amazingly. But we would need the green trains to do it because it can only go in front. And the green trains are in the longest train that we've made connected.
So we're gonna pick up all the trains that came off the track and put them back on track and let them run one more time. I mean, does the train run?
Or roll.
Roll. They're just gonna roll in this railway. Of course, we're gonna have to pick up Thomas too, because it's the main character.
So where does Decker go?
Decker, oh, we can make it. You
We
choose.
don't need James.
Okay, you can choose. You're the expert in here. Oh, that one is tired. It's too tired. We can try the white train. What do
That
you
one
think?
is super quick.
I don't think it's fast.
So let's try. This
Let's
used
try.
to be our fastest one.
Yeah.
We didn't have a track.
Okay, let's see. Now we can send the red one to see if we're gonna catch up with it. Oh no, it's out of the track. Fantastic. Whoa.
Is it gonna catch up with
Is
this
it gonna
one?
catch up?
Oh, dear.
So the trains are back on track. Let's see. Oh no, the railway is super busy. Wow, the white train's catching up. I
Wow.
wouldn't think that would be so fast.
And it's able to come up without any help.
Yeah, look at this railway. Oh no,
Oh.
the trains are just falling off. Oh, super! Oh, they're gonna crash. Oh.
Now if they crash, we'll leave them on the floor.
They are out of the way. Oh no, the crash in the middle. On the subway.
This is the longest train so far, I think. No.
That was fun to see you running behind the train to make you connect. Oh no, it needs help. Okay, it needs help. Well, let's see. I'm glad you are here to help. Oh, they're going to crash. Oh no. Oh, this train is coming so slow.
The smart techs are quite slow. They're just like, I'm gonna take my time.
Yeah. I like the one that's coming with Percy, super fast.
Yeah. My one. My worldwide truck.
Wow, that looks amazing. Oh no, the white train is asking for help.
Oh, look at the smart tech.
Oh, I thought they were gonna crash, but no, they one came below. And that's super cool, the way they're going. Let's have an overview from the top,
Like a helicopter.
or like a bird's view.
Birds eye view.
Yes.
There's a helicopter coming. It's spraying water, the one that just exploded. On
Oh
the
no, the
floor.
train's gonna crash from the bridge. The second train is asking for help.
It's spraying water on the one which crashed.
Wow,
Because
the
it's a
white
fire.
train is super fast, even faster than the
Smart tech.
smart tech.
Oh,
Wow, look at those.
this
Look
one
at
goes.
this.
This one is the quickest, even quicker than the Percy one.
You reckon? Wow, the white train's gonna crash. Oh!
My favorite is the Percy one. Oh dear. The helicopter wants to land in the tree.
Okay, make it land.
It has landed in the giant tree.
Oh no, the train is crashing. The helicopter's on the tree, and we are back on track. Let's look at this railway. These trains, they are super fast. And look at this, that is beautiful. Look at this turn, the colorful of the railway.
The
And the way,
color.
yeah. Oh no, the white train's out of the track. And I think you enjoyed this video. So if you did, keep your thumbs up and
Please subscribe.
subscribe.
If you can, please leave a comment below.
Absolutely. This was an awesome railway track that we built, as you can see in here. The trains go from the top. Oh no, they crashed.
So now we need to supervise every single train they can easily.
They almost crashed again.
Wow.
Oh, that was super cool. And Thomas, here comes the Thomas, goes on the tunnel.
Whoa! On top of each other.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna need. Oh! Oh no, it's gonna turn.
Let's see, they're going to crash, they're going to crash.
Daddy, look, that one and that one is pushing down.
Oh, they almost crashed.
Oh.
Okay, so the show is at the end. Thank you for watching and please subscribe and let us know what you think about our video. If you have a special request, make sure to let us know because we are more than happy to know and to satisfy that because you are special. They're going to crash and they crashed.
Oopsie.
Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie again, oopsie.
Okay, it's gonna crash again.
Oh, the other one crashed and now they all
look.
stopped it.
It's
Wow.
like a museum now. You can just put it here and it won't move. Oh, it's moving.